Hey guys, so we are playing what do you call this? Train Mania, as you can see from the title. You may not know this game, but it is a pretty fun game. Kind of hard and kind of suspicious to play. So I played this game before, and I haven't completed all of them yet. So we're gonna be try to complete some of them. There are gonna be some parts. We're gonna finish like 6 lines, and then next day 6 lines, then next day 6 lines, then next day the final line, which is 6. So we're gonna be playing Train Mania, and this is gonna be kind of fun. And if you don't know how to play, here's kind of example to play, and you will be following my rules and looking at the controls. And yeah, have fun and subscribe the video. Now let's play. So there's like engines, and I choose the blue engine because it has more powers than the other engine. So how do you move is you press this, or you want to press backwards. This one is just like for going like this, and you guys may not already know that because you may play some games that may have that kind of control. But if you don't know what those games are, it's simple to these guys. They're like Trackmania, Tow Truck Manias, like that, or like, I don't know, there's more games of this, guys. You can download some of them. And yeah, so let's just continue with this video, and hopefully you have a nice video. Now let's get it. So we are right now playing a, oh no, come on, put it back, put it back, put it back, put it back. Okay. Ooh, guys, we almost lost. That was like so a little bit hard. And guys, we will play Truck Mania tomorrow for our next video. And yeah, have fun. And now let's get it. Alrighty guys, so we're continuing now. Our score is 5,250, and we are doing good because we got stars and that like that. And we are close to the ending, I think. And yes. So then you next have to go here. Then you have to stop here. You don't move or anything. You have to stay here. Then it will like take the barrels out. So yeah, as you can see, we have did it. It is our first. We did our first one complete. Now we're on our second one, and there's more games. Do reset? No. Let's not reset. So we might reset the game if we all finish the game, guys. There's gonna be like parts. I don't know how many parts, but oh wait, no. We have to collect it. Guys, we forgot something. We forgot to collect this. I'm stupid, guys. I'm really stupid. And the final one is right overhead. So, let's go. And now we got all of them collected. Only 2 boxes, I don't know why. And it's been already 3 minutes of the video. So, yeah. Hold on, guys. Okay, whatever. Okay. So, yeah, we're continuing, and make sure you subscribe and check out my channel, and look, and follow me on Snapchat, Agent YT, capital A and capital YT, and yeah, follow me on Snapchat, or add me on Snapchat, then I will follow you back. But for now, yeah, check that check me out on Snapchat. I don't have Facebook, only Snapchat. Check me out before this video. Alrighty guys, we completed chapter 2, or level 2, whatever. So as you forgot, guys, we're gonna do some parts. We're gonna do some of half of it, then next day half of it, then next day half of it, then next day half of it, then final day half of it. So yeah, we're in level 2 now. And yeah, so let's get it. Maybe like this. Ooh, it's a barrel, guys, or like a tank, whatever this is. I don't know what this is. Comment down below if you play this game, guys, and you know what this is. It's like a pipe, I think. Yeah, it surely has to be a pipe. So yeah. And yeah. So I'm going slow, guys, because I don't want this to fall. Because I played this before and I made a mistake on it. So yeah, I don't want. I'm being careful. As you can see. Ooh, guys, come on. Okay, we almost dropped it, guys. It was so close. Okay. And so, yeah, guys. So yeah, guys. And enjoy the video. Hold on, guys. Oh no, okay. So you guys enjoy the video. So guys, it's 2 more levels, so we're gonna be doing some part 2 or like part 6, or I don't know how many, and we'll do the next part tomorrow, because I don't think I can finish this like in one video. It'll be like too long, or like a long video. So yeah, let's continue. Oh, okay. Okay, guys, this is the hard part. There's gonna be some barrel, like, gonna be, like, clanking on me. and it might happen. So yeah, there are gonna be like so many barrel like laying on the on the on the bucket. Oh my god! Okay, oh, come on. See, guys, there's gonna be continuing. I think there's like one more barrel gonna come. Oh my god, guys, it's so heavy. Oh my god, guys. Guys, I'm being careful right now because there's like a barrel on in the middle of me. Oh my god, it might fall. Oh my god, guys, it didn't even fall for like one bit. Maybe off the chain. Alrighty, guys, this is the end of the video here. I hope you like this video. Smash that like button, and we're gonna do the next row tomorrow. And yeah, I hope you like this video. Peace.